Verifying your identity on Gear.com is an important step to enhance your credibility as a freelancer. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access the verification section. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Look for the verification section, which is typically found in the account settings or profile management area. Step 3. Choose verification method. Select your preferred method of verification. Here, .com may offer options such as uploading a government-issued ID, linking to social media accounts, or providing additional personal information. Step 4. Submit required documents. Follow the prompts to upload the necessary documents or information. Ensure that all files are clear and legible, as this will help expedite the verification process. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your documents, wait for Gear.com to review your application. This process may take a few days. You will receive a notification once your identity has been verified. Completing the verification process will help you build trust with potential clients and enhance your opportunities on the platform. Good luck!